Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss a theorem, network theorem, that is name is reciprocity theorem. Okay. Basically this theorem states that in any branch of a network or circuit, the current due to a single source. That means in any network due to a single voltage source or single source. Okay. The network is equal to the current through that branch in which the source is originally placed. Okay. Then when the source is again put the branch in which the current was originally obtained. Okay. This theorem basically says that here let's see here one network, this is one network. Okay. This is one voltage source. Okay. Okay. And this is a network. Okay. This theorem says that if let this is voltage, this is R1, R2 and this is R3. Okay. The current flowing through this, okay, this is on the in any branch, if I select this branch, okay, network or circuit, the current due to the single source, current due to this voltage source in this branch, let this is I3, okay, network voltage source is equal to this current is equal to the current through that branch in which the source is originally placed. If we replace this source to there, then also we find here, let we replace this source from this, okay, this is R3, all resistance are same, R2 this is, okay, here this current is let I1. This theorem says that this I1 is equal to I3. This theorem says that instead any branch of network, first we select this branch, okay, network or circuit, the current due to the single source, current due to the selected branch due to this single source in selected branch is equal to the current through that branch in which the source is originally placed. First of all, the source is here, so that this current, this theorem says that this current is equal to this, okay. Okay, to prove this theorem, let we directly go through an example. Okay, this theorem, first going through the example, before example, this theorem only applicable bilateral network where the single source is present, single independent source, not dependent source. Okay, in the example we did clarity about this reciprocity theorem. Okay, let take an example. Take an example. Okay, example circuit is like, let this is the voltage source and this is 3 ohm, okay, and this is, okay, this is okay, this is 1, okay, this is 4 ohm, this is 2 ohm, let this is 12 volt. Okay, here see, first step to find the reciprocity theorem, first we select a branch where to apply a reciprocity. Let I select this branch, this 2 ohm branch. Okay, let we select this branch. Okay, then we find selected branch current. First step to select, find selected branch current, okay, selected branch current. Okay, let this is IA, okay, this is IA, okay, selected branch current. First of all we find this branch current. For finding this branch current, this IA is equal to how much? First of all you need to find this total current, then we divide this. Okay, so finding this total current, first we require R equivalent. Let R equivalent to this 2 is parallel, 2 parallel 4 plus 3. Okay, this is equal to how much? This is equal to 4.33 ohm. Okay, let not we find this 4.33 ohm. Okay, then we find to total current. This total current I equal to this total current I equal to total voltage, this 12 volt divided by 4.33. okay, this is how much, this is 2.77 ampere. okay, let this is 2.77 ampere, this is 2.77. Then next we find this IA. This IA equal to, where apply current division rule. When we apply current division, this total current into opposite direction this much, 4 ohm divided by some resistance 4 plus 2. okay, this is 2.77 into 4 by 6, that is equal to how much, this is 1.849. okay, this is sorry, this is 1.849 ampere. okay, this is the IA current. Next step to find, just replace the original source to selected branch, replace to this by short circuiting this branch. okay, next we again draw a circuit by replacing this. okay, replace this by short circuiting as usual, same, replace by this. okay, next step to find, let this is 3 ohm, this is 4 ohm. Next step to find current, how much current flowing through this branch. We need to prove if this branch current is equal to this, then that is the reciprocal circuit. okay, reciprocity theorem is proved. okay, then this is 12 volt. okay, let we find this current, let this is IA dash. okay, this is IA dash. For finding this, we need to first total current. okay, for total current we need to R equivalent. This R equivalent is 4 parallel 3, then plus 3, that is how much, 3.71 ohm. okay, then next for I equal how much, this 12 by 3.71 ohm. okay, this is how much, this is 3.2345 ampere. okay, 45 ampere. Then next to find I dash. I dash is how much, total current I into opposite direction, this is 4 divided by 4 plus 3. okay, this is how much, this is 3.2345, 3.3 into 4 by 7. okay, this is equal to how much, 1.849. okay, here you see this current is equal to this current is equal to this much current, then hence our reciprocity theorem is proved. This circuit is reciprocity theorem. okay, if you need to select this branch, then it will be proved. okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.